In this video, we'll be answering the question, in how many minutes after 7 o'clock will the hands of the clock be directly opposite each other for the first time? First, let's look at the hour hand. We know that it takes 12 hours for the hour hand to go around the clock. So in 12 hours, it's going to go 360 degrees, which means in 1 hour, it's going 30 degrees. Since it is 7 o'clock, the angle between 7 and 12 is 7 times 30 degrees, which is 210 degrees. And to illustrate this, let's say if we have 7 o'clock, this angle out here is 210 degrees, but the angle inside is 360 minus 210, which is 150 degrees. So for the purpose of this problem, we'll just work with 150 degrees. So now we said that in an hour, the hour hand is going to move 30 degrees. If we substitute 60 minutes in for an hour, we get that in 60 minutes, it's going to move 30 degrees. Divide both sides by 60 to get 1 minute will move 0.5 degrees. And then multiply both sides by x to get in x minutes, it will move 0.5x degrees. Now for the minute hand. It takes 60 minutes for the minute hand to go around the clock. So in 60 minutes, it's going to go 360 degrees. Or in 1 minute, it's going to go to 6 degrees. Multiply both sides by x, and we get that in x minutes, it's going to go 6x degrees. Because the hands of the clock have to be directly opposite of each other, then the minute hand and hour hand form a straight line that is 180 degrees. And what I mean is, it will look something like this. So this is a straight line that is 180 degrees. Now for the solution. So the formula we need is the current angle plus a minute hand angle minus the hour hand angle is the angle that we want. So the way you want to think about it is, I'm currently at 150 degrees and I want to get to 180 degrees. The minute hand is going to help us because that is moving very fast and the hour hand is slowing us down. So that's why the hour hand is being subtracted. The angle that we want is 180 degrees. The current angle is 150 degrees. The minute hand moves 6x degrees for every x minutes, and the hour hand moves 0.5x degrees for x minutes. Now if we add these, we get 30 degrees is equal to 5.5x degrees, and so x is equal to 60 over 11 minutes. So that means in 60 over 11 minutes after 7, the hour hand and minute hand will be directly opposite of each other. Now for a general formula. So the general formula is the angle that you want is equal to 30 times h minus 11 over 2 times m, where h is the current hour and m is the number of minutes you need to get the angle between h and m to be theta. So in our example, we are at 7 o'clock. So 7 is h. We want them to be directly opposite, so theta has to be 180 degrees. If you substitute in the information, we get that m is equal to 60 over 11. And that is the answer that we got before.